cars. So we are approaching another stand right now.
Yeah.
With our beautiful Bethany hiding the way. Let's go where we're going right now.
Right, hang on.
Wow, look. That's already very, very cool. And okay.
Oh, nice. Oh, okay.
Actually, maybe we can use this background.
Well, that's exactly what
Hey,
we're doing.
Sarah.
I'm very recording.
I'm
You know what? One of you should go and try and like sneak an interview with that guy talking. So apparently he's the most. I mean, I don't really know a lot about cars, but apparently he's the most.
Which one?
The guy doing the talking on stage. Like maybe we can wait for him, and then when
we will as well. We're interviewing everyone.
Tiffany.
Needell, yes, we know Tiffany.
I don't.
He started off in Formula 4.
She's just like. So, girls, we're about to do this one, and then we're about to go get a drink because I'm done.
Oh my god, look at
I'm talking a lot. I'm talking a lot. So, oh wow, this car is sexy, guys. And Astrid makes it sexier. Oh girl, oh my god. You can, she said, she still wants to jump in every car. Oh my god, you look so good, I swear. This car is so beautiful. Actually,
it's amazing.
You know what? This is my favorite car here. Say that. This is my favorite car here. It's just beautiful. It's just like,
oh, it's called
wow.
Charger.
Look at this black here. Having a daydream. It's like amazing. And look at like the motor and everything. It's just like lush. I'm loving it. And it's so smooth.
Really smooth.
Oh yeah, that's my favorite car in here. Hands down. Charger. What would I do without you, my Chargy? Hey. Good. Okay, so we're ready to take this picture with our friend Dave.
Well, I think they should wait. Like when I used to do blockchain stuff, I used to interview, and we just used to wait for them, like at the edge of the stage, and be like, "Do you mind if we ask a quick question?"
Well, you're pretty, I'm not. You can
Yeah, but she wants us to do it.
Like girls, pose.
Okay, girls, pose.
Girls,
I'm just gonna put
girls.
it here.
Right, can you hold this?
We're just gonna be like, cool. So let's go.
I'm going to do a test shot and start, alright?
Let's actually magnify. I have to come magnify.
Or maybe come on.
Just getting all of the content, honestly. You're like,
That's a nice bump.
wait, what? She's gonna be like,
Okay.
Imagine you're in West London now, that's good.
Find a card.
and then again. Is that good?
She's got a bogey hanging out of her nose.
What? Have I?
Right, let's see. Give me a hand.
Oh, okay. Hands on the waist. Sorry.
Okay, now we got
Agris.
Astrid.
So we got Agris here. Gonna tell us about this.
Right.
Okay.
She's funny.
Okay, start.
So, right, for the last decade,
Yeah.
the Fast and Furious franchise
Yeah.
been advertising Chargers
Yeah.
almost every year.
Yeah.
So the real Charger, this is Dom Toretto's Charger.
Yeah.
This is Supra. Rest in peace, Bryant. That was the first kind of
Oh my god.
drug race that made these cars famous.
Yeah.
And you can see the real cars, real 70s Dodge Charger there.
That is amazing. See that?
This first one.
There it is. Oh wow. Isn't that amazing?
We got the real one. Wow.
Okay, you can see inside it. So this is from the Fast and Furious. Oh, you can open it. Oh my
Yeah.
god, can I get in?
Yeah, okay.
I can get in.
Right.
I am getting in again. Okay. Okay, watch girls. There.
We actually sat in this car.
Sorry?
We actually sat in this car.
You want to sit in it?
No, he actually sat in this
No, that's not from the movie, but it's the same model.
Oh my god, yes. I'm loving it.
Okay, welcome.
But it is the same car. It's actually better.
Why I can't even press the pedal. Okay, this is the wheels. And then with the classic dashboard. Isn't that amazing? Oh wow. Can I get in? Okay. Honestly, I'm dying. Okay. I'm getting in. Do you want to get in, babe?
Yes.
Go then.
Oh wait, he's here.
Oh, he's there. Oh,
Deal's good. Okay. I'll accept the deal.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So first of all, let's take a picture, all of us.
This is the managing director.
Hi.
Da 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 da. Yeah.
Oh my God! Come on. And one more is joining as well.
Yep. Pleasure.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Oh wait, can we just ask a couple of questions? Is that okay? Oh well.
Kabang! I love kabang.
Can we do one with the girls on the road?
Under.
Yes, lovely.
What question?
What question?
Right, the main
You were going to
question.
say, I understand, Tiff, you used to race at Formula Ford. You're
Yes.
one of our British champions, one of our racing legends.
Yes.
Have you met Dave?
That's our microphone. I'm so sorry. That's the microphone that we have today.
Yeah.
Maybe I used to better than that, but
I
that's
raced
the
Formula
microphone we have
Ford
today.
Yeah.
Yes.
She's going to ask you, Anna, about your racing career.
Yes.
So we'll be here all night.
Yes.
Maybe we'll go
oh
down the
my
bus,
God.
go down the
Tell us-
pub. We've got a long time. Let's just go.
He's a great presenter. He's worked with Clark's. He was on Top Gear. He's done
Yes.
Well, I can't
Fifth
tell,
gear
but what do you
as
want to
well.
know
Tell us a
then?
little bit about how is this experience treating you today?
What, being at the Classic Car Show?
Yes.
Well, it's very chilled, it's relaxed. I
That's
love the
our
new
first
building.
one.
It's wonderful, isn't it? It's that's a nice atmosphere.
Yes.
And today's the right crowd, and I'm a bit worried tomorrow it might be too many people. But you probably want too many people. But
Yeah,
not, you know.
yes, we do actually.
But,
What one is your favorite car here?
What was?
Is your favorite car?
But I don't know if it's here or not. I haven't been round fully.
You haven't been
McLaren
around.
F1. Is the McLaren F1 here? I think that's my favourite.
yeah.
car. It was here yesterday.
It is?
Yeah, that's my favourite car ever.
Okay.
McLaren F1.
So the most
Lovely.
expensive,
Wow.
Tiff.
Yeah, well, yeah, you got to think high,
How
haven't
much
you?
is that?
You pay
12 million now.
Oh my God. No wonder it's your favorite car. Come on. Thank
So
you
what
so
are we
much.
doing here then? Classic Investments.
Can we get Christiana, because she works for the company with Tiff, for a picture?
Yes, absolutely.
What's Classic Investments doing? Just a finance house for...
No, we're restoring cars.
Are you restoring
We're
cars?
restoring cars. We brought two Dodge Chargers here.
I saw the
Yeah,
figures.
they are beautiful, aren't they?
1969. Matching numbers. Small block, big block. And they restored the Concourse Sport.
Don't tell him that they're American.
We need to get Christiana in if we...
Yes,
We
we
need
need
to
to
get
get Christiana as well.
Maybe together.
Yes, if we may.
Stay in the
Are we
middle.
doing
Let
photos?
them get one.
Oh,
Oh my God, where is my
That's
microphone?
is it sweet?
She still got one though. Okay, I'm not even asking
You got
for
it, babe. You got
And
it,
so
babe.
after a long day, we're just having shots because we deserve it, honestly.
Cheers to
Cheers.
cheers to the car show.
Back in it.
Nice comment.